Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys, great to be with you again. We're gonna go and do another delicious dish today.
Yes,
Another delicious food. My wife is here. Paulina, as usual, taking the video. She claims she does the best video, so she's gonna be in charge of the video right now, okay? So it's good to be with you guys again. So let's go start. We have some delicious food.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. So today we're gonna do a new dish. It's gonna be stuffed eggplant, stuffed twisted sweet pepper. I'm using this thing for the first time and I'm very excited to use them. They look very good. They look amazing. Look, they come all different kind of color. They come red color also. And then pepper. Okay, so inside the recipe it's gonna be meat. Okay, small pieces of meat and a big meat that I'm gonna put inside. And it's gonna be cilantro, tomatoes, and a rice that it's been sitting in the water already for the past 15 minutes in the warm water. I washed it 3-4 times. So I'm gonna start chopping everything, and then we're gonna stuff them, and we're gonna start cooking them. And me and my wife are gonna tell you how delicious it tastes as usual, you know. Okay, now I'm cutting the meat, small cubes. You can do it with chicken also if you like chicken, but try to do the way I do it. If you want it to taste identical, do the way I do it. Okay, anyway, so you just have to cut them this way and put the amount that you think is enough for you. I'm going to show you what amount I'm putting, and I have approximately 4.5 piole of rice, almost 5. Okay, piole, if you remember in my previous video I showed you what piole is. Compared to cups, it's around 4 cups of rice. The meat is cubed. Now we're gonna put them over here. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna slice the tomatoes. I gotta cube the tomatoes. So I'm gonna slice them right now, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cube them fast and easy. My tomatoes is chopped. Look how beautiful it looks. And it took me maybe a minute to chop everything, okay? So let's add it to the meat. Now that I chopped the tomatoes, I'm gonna put cilantro, 2 bunches over here. Just take the big stem out and the rest is good to go. So we're gonna chop it and we're gonna add to the recipe. My cilantro is chopped. Let's add to the rest of the recipe over here. Okay guys, let's add the rice in now. Okay, now I'm gonna add the spices, salt, approximately. See how much I'm putting? So maybe it's 1 tablespoon, I would say, yeah?
Maybe a little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more, but you know, you can always taste it, and if it's missing a little bit, you can always add, you know. So black pepper, approximately. You see how much I'm putting? And the same thing, I'm gonna taste it, and I'm gonna see if it's missing. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Sweet paprika, I'm gonna put a little bit. Let's mix everything up right now. Alright guys, my mixture is ready. So now I'm gonna start the fire, and I'm gonna start stuffing the eggplant, pepper, and the sweet twisty pepper. So let's go start the fire first. Now I need to chop around 7 tomatoes underneath. I'm gonna put it inside the pot before I'm gonna stuff my pepper and all the eggplant and everything else. So let me cube them. I'm gonna cube them the same way that I did the one inside the mixture, okay? My tomatoes are chopped. Can you show me the tomatoes over here? Look how beautiful they chopped in this machine. So now I'm gonna put olive oil a little bit underneath, okay? Just let it go everywhere. And I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Approximately 7 tomatoes. Inside I'm gonna put meat, just like that, big pieces, okay? This one is extra, it's for meat lover, it's for me and Paulina. My wife doesn't eat that, but me and Paulina don't argue with her, it's okay. It's more for me and more for her. Okay, so now this is ready, so we're gonna put a drop of salt right on top. See, just a drop, by eye, okay? Just a little bit. And a little bit of black pepper right on top of this. And now we're gonna start stuffing the pepper and the eggplant and everything else. Okay, so let's go. Cut it like that. Just take the seeds and everything out. Alright guys, let's go. Let's put our delicious recipe inside. It's gonna taste very, very good. You know, by the way, it's my wife's favorite. I did it a while back with the mashed meat. That's a different recipe. So try this one also. It's gonna taste amazing. Now we're gonna stuff our cute eggplant. This is delicatesse. A little tricky, but doable. See that? Okay, we don't want to take too much meat out because we still want to have the taste of the eggplant. I didn't want to take too much, just enough to be able to put a little bit of stuffing inside because I still want to have the taste of the eggplant. Okay, just in case, if you want to know where I buy such a cute eggplant, is from Costco. They have the best product, my favorite store. Not that I'm promoting them, but just giving you like the information where you can buy them. Look how nice they look. Now we're gonna put them right in the middle over here. Okay, now we're gonna stuff those cute, I don't know, kind of unusual pepper. Okay, so look how good they look. Look, it's gonna be a little bit tricky to stack them. It's gonna be difficult. You know, don't forget, it's difficult it is, it's tasty as it is. So remember that. Guys, look how good it looks. Can you show them this thing? Look how good it looks. Look at this thing. Delicatesse. Now we're gonna put it on top of the fire. You're looking good. 1 tomato sauce on top. A whole can. It's a 15-ounce tomato sauce. A drop of salt on top, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna cover it right now, and we're gonna keep it on the fire approximately 2 hours. And I'm gonna keep you posted as we go along. Okay, so see you soon. An hour and 10 minutes passed by. Let's see what's going on. Oh,
wow.
My food is looking good.
Wow.
Look how the pepper cracked. Looking good. Let me just do a quick tasting and tell you how long more it's gonna take. Let me just taste the rice a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, that tastes so good. I swear. It's only 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we'll keep it another let's keep it another 30 minutes. An hour and a half passed by. We're gonna take the delicious food out. My wife is holding the plate, you see, and I'm holding this thing.
I have the most important job.
Guys, before I even open it, the smell. Smell.
It smells amazing.
You're not even smelling it.
I can smell it.
How can you smell it so far?
I can smell it.
Okay, so I'm gonna open. 1, 2, 3. Look how good it looks. Wow, looking good.
Wow.
Okay, so
Wow.
let's see what's going on. Okay, let me just taste it a little bit from the top. See how it tastes like. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You want to taste a little bit? No, I know it's gonna be hot. No, show mom. Look, not only I'm cooking for my wife, I'm feeding her too. Can you imagine?
Oh my god.
Okay, so let's take the food out.
Oh my god, it's melting in your mouth.
Okay,
It's
ready?
so good.
Let's do the testing. What do you want to go for?
I think I want to go for eggplant.
Go for it. Okay, guys,
It's really hot.
this
Oh my god.
is good.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, you know I also want to go for the eggplant or for the pepper, but I'm a meat person, so I'm gonna go for the meat first. How about that?
You know the most funniest thing when I pay attention? Every single video while he's talking, I'm eating.
Yeah, while
You
I'm
keep talking, I'm gonna be
Okay, guys,
eating.
I'm gonna taste first the meat.
Oh my god. Oh
You have to
my
try
God.
the meat. You know, I was always curious for this pepper. So let's go for this whole pepper. Look at this one. This is amazing. Let's go. I'm gonna slice it like that together with the pepper. We'll try. Let me try. Oh my god, good.
Oh wow.
Delicious.
Wow.
Guys, this is the first time I'm using this pepper. Amazing, amazing taste.
Wow.
Amazing. Amazing. You should try this.
Really
thing.
good. Extremely good.
If you want to know where I got this pepper, I got from Costco, just in case. And if you have it in your local grocery store or food store, you should go try it.
So good. I really like that.
I'm gonna try a little bit like the eggplant right now. Let me see. Oh wow. The eggplant is amazing. Wow, it is really good. I gotta go for a little bit more of that. The eggplant is amazing. The taste of the eggplant together with the eggplant. Let me just try it one more time.
I haven't tried it together with eggplant. I'm curious.
So I'm gonna take a spoon together with the eggplant and I'm gonna try it. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Together with the eggplant, it tastes amazing.
I think eggplant is one of our favorite vegetables.
It is.
We do always so many different dips and salads with it. Now it's stuffed eggplant. I think it just tops it all.
Another successful video. My wife gonna finish it off by
By
saying
saying, thank you guys so much for watching. This concludes our video.
while she's talking, I'm gonna eat just like she does to me. I'm gonna eat the eggplant.
We really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you would like to see anything else, please comment down below. And everything that we use, like all the gadgets, will be linked down below as well for you guys easily to find, because I know you always ask me where we get our cool stuff. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click notification bell to get notified when we post our tutorials, and also give a thumbs up, share with your friends.
And guys, I don't cook just for show. Try it at home. You're really gonna like it. It tastes amazing. Does it taste good?
Delicious.
Paulina only tasted the meat, but it tastes amazing. You should definitely try it at home. You're gonna love it. It's amazing food. It's different. It is very tasty. And one more thing I want to say. Remember, when you need a good makeup, professional makeup, unbelievable makeup, you know, that's the person. Especially the brides. You want to look good for your wedding day, you know who to contact. And if you want to do the makeup by yourself, always remember,
To learn.
Paulina.
Yes.
Paulina, what's your thing?
At Polina_Eliev on Instagram and Polina Eliev on YouTube.
And everything will be linked down below as well.
And you should follow her. She does an amazing job. And
And-
don't forget, if you need jewelry, I'm the one.
So you guys have the whole package.
Yeah, 23 West 47th Street. I give free advice also. If you don't need anything, you can always come for free advice. It was a pleasure being with you again. So hope to see you soon, guys. Stay safe. See you next time.
Salute.
Salute, guys. Food that we prepared, pepper and eggplant and everything else, we came to my wife's cousin, and I consider them as my cousin also. So we're gonna do some testing right now. So we give everybody a little bit. So she says what we supposed to say. We say your true opinion. So let her taste it and see. If it's no good, she's gonna tell us it's no good.
Honest
If it's
opinion. Honest opinion.
You're under pressure right now. You're under pressure.
Yes. Okay, this is actually my favorite food. This is for me comfort food. Yes, that's what I love doing on Friday night. So. Oh my god, this is so delicious.
Honestly,
You're gonna cry.
honestly.
You have to be honest. You know, otherwise.
Everybody
Baruch,
has
I
to
did
eat, right?
not know that you know how to do it.
And Paulina, can you take Eden?
To see that, you have to
Okay.
try.
I like pepper and stuffed pepper. It's twice like good. So now I will try it.
Alright, same line so we can make a toast.
You stuffed some eggplants too.
Very good.
That's so creative.
Very good.
The jeweler
I
strikes
see now.
again.
Guys, you see? Oh, the jeweler strikes again. What did you say?
He's our biggest supporter. That's my uncle. And I know he's gonna be critical if it's, you know, if it's not gonna be good. So
I need more. I need more tasting. Very delicious. Very delicious.
Thank you guys.
Batuta.
Enjoy.
Melts in your mouth.